everyone, in this video let's discuss about the write-up guidelines and the website guidelines. First we'll discuss about the write-up guidelines. The members may advertise through a write-up which sets out the particulars about them or their firm or the services that are provided by them, which is professional in nature, and the members are given or under an obligation that they should ensure the contents of the write-up are true to the best of their knowledge and belief and are in conformance with the guidelines that are issued by the council. Those write-ups should comply with the following conditions. It should be honest and truthful. There should not be any exaggerated claims either for the services or for the fees charged or for the qualifications or for the clients. And it must not make any disparaging references or unsubstantiated comparisons. See, disparaging here would mean the those that are of little worth, okay, very less worth. Those derogatory remarks are not to be given. It should not be of any nature that may bring the profession to disrepute. It should not contain any testimonial or endorsement concerning the members. Okay, there should not be any testimonials or endorsements, and it should not contain any information about the achievements or rewards or awards. But here there is an exception. Those awards are given by central government, state government or the regulatory body. Those can be mentioned, but all other awards cannot be mentioned. Monogram is not allowed or catchwords is not allowed. Then if it is a partner or if it is a proprietor, then the membership number has to be given. That is mandatory. If it is a firm, then the firm registration number should be given. There is no specific guideline with respect to the font which is to be used or the font color, but there is a guideline which is given with respect to the font size, which means the font size cannot exceed 14. Okay, it must not be violative of any of the provisions of the CA Act or the rules or the regulations or code of ethics. Whichever it is, it should not be violative. And the ICAI may also issue any directives for the removal or withdrawal of either the whole write-up or any of the parts thereof. What are the things that can be included for members? It could be the CA, that is name, and the CA, say for example, CA XYZ, like that. And then the membership number with the institute, age, date of becoming ACA associate, and then fellow membership. Then COP if it's held, if then the date from which I am holding the COP, recognize the qualification, languages known, telephone number, professional address, website, email, CA logo, passport style photograph. There is no other big figures are not allowed, or one standing near a lion, you are giving that picture, that is not allowed. Okay, or standing near Eiffel Tower or standing near Taj Mahal, those are not allowed. Only passport style photographers allowed. The details of employees, chartered accountants, and the professional article assistants, auditor assistants, and other employees. Name of the employees and their particulars and the lines allowed for a member as stated above. Then services provided. Position, if I am holding any position as a director, managing director in a management consultancy registered with the institute. We have already discussed about this point. Please refer the previous video. And then for firm, I have to mention the name of the firm, similar NFRN, year of establishment, professional address, working hours, telephone number, email, number of partners, name of the proprietors or partners, and their passport style photograph, CA logo, details of employees, same bifurcation, chartered accountant, other professionals, article and audit assistants, and then other employees. And then service provided and affiliation with the network registered with the institute. Next video we will discuss about network guidelines. Okay. The write-up may have the signature, name of the member, name of the partner, signing on behalf of the firm, place and date, signature, name, place and date, signature, name, place and date. Now, with this is the basic guidelines with respect to write-up. Now, let's move on to the website guidelines. Though it is quick, let's make it, it's better to be quick because it will be helpful for your last year revision. This area which is being tested in MCQ. That's why I'm focusing this. Okay. The council has approved the detailed guidelines for posting the particulars on the website. Okay, chartered accountants firm would be free to create the website. They can create their own, but following conditions should be applicable on them. The actual format is not prescribed. No, there is no any standard format. Also, there is not there. But you have to maintain some professionalism in while creating the website. It should be in a pull model and not push model. We have learned this in economics, right? Demand. Something there is push demand and pull type of demand. Pull means whenever I am going to search, I will be thrown this. Push will be no matter what I search, this will be thrown. We have to follow pull model. Only when I search, I should get this. And it should ensure none of the information contained in the website should be circulated on their own or through an email or by any mode of technique except on a specific pull request. Only if I ask, I should circulate the details. It should not issue any circular or advertisement. Okay. And this website address can be mentioned on the professional stationery or the email. Professional stationery here would include the visiting cards. Then The following information can be disclosed. Member name, firm name, year of establishment, address, nature of service provided, partners, details of employees, job vacancies if any, number of article assistants, nature of assignments handled. Okay. Whether I am permitted to disclose my client's name? Generally is a no. Right? I am not permitted to disclose my client's name or client's details. But if there is any regulator's request, I may be able to, I should disclose it, right? So that's a exception here. Disclosure of names or of the clients or the fees charged on the website is permissible only where it is required by a regulator, whether or not considered under statute in India or outside India, provided that such a disclosure is only to the extent of the requirement of the regulator and is made only till such a period that the member works under the purview of such a regulator. See, when it is required by a law or regulator, generally it will be required by a regulator, right? So whenever it is required by a regulator, I am permissible or I have given the permission to disclose the name of the client along with the fees charged and other details which is required by the regulator. And only till such time I am under the purview of the regulator. And below that, I have to give a footnote which states that this disclosure is in terms of the requirement of so and so regulator having jurisdiction in so and so country or area where the rule or directive which is issued by the regulator. And then I could display the passport style photographs, and I may also include the professional information, the articles which on education videos is also permissible. I can also provide chat rooms, but I should ensure the confidentiality and documentation principles. Then I can also provide my link of this page in social networking sites, okay, but that should not solicit people to visit the pages, okay. The members can provide online advice also, that is also permissible. There is no only, it's not that only I should provide offline advice, I can also provide online consultancy either with charge or free of charge. And then nothing should be decided in a way that is soliciting the client for a professional work. It should also ensure adequate secrecy. If I am going to get some online works, then that should ensure the secrecy and confidentiality principles. Okay, no advertisement is permitted, and I should not give anything which is stating that so and so person should not contain any information which is unbecoming of a chartered accountant. And in the website, I can also provide the website, link to the website of ICAI, regulatory bodies or any other departments of, central government or state government. I can provide that. The website address should be as near as possible. I cannot provide, let's join and achieve. I can't provide such things, okay? It should be like in the firm name. Say for example, XY and Co, XY and Z company. Like that I can provide the website address. And if I'm not going to get anything, or I'm going to solicit, the ESP, that is Ethical Standard Board, will decide if there is any difficulty. Okay, whatever information I have given in the website, that should be in line with the ICAI records. There should not be any material variance from the information which is as per the ICAI records. So with this, we have completed both the write-up guidelines and the website guidelines. Okay, if you want any other key topics, please do mention in the comment. Thank you so much.